Hello! Are you a homeowner or buyer curious about 2025 housing market outlook? As we wrap up 2024 and prepare for the new year, let us dive into what experts predict for 2025. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker from the SF Bay Area, here to provide you the latest insights. First, let us look at home prices and what is expected for home prices in 2025. We anticipate a moderate national average increase of about 2 to 5% in home prices. Areas with higher inventory may see a slight dip in prices, while popular low inventory markets are likely to experience steady price growth. According to Bankrate, prices overall won't fluctuate dramatically, pointing towards a balanced, though cooler market in terms of price movement. So, will it be a buyer's or seller's market? We are likely to see a seller's market throughout 2025. Although the market has improved for buyers over the past year, challenges remain such as inventory constraints and mortgage rates that favor sellers. However, the good news is that inventory levels and demand are expected to be more balanced, improving buyer affordability. Finally, what does this mean for you? To recap, higher mortgage rates, home prices, and limited inventory are likely to pose challenges as we head into 2025. Deciding whether to buy or sell is a big decision with many factors to consider. Having an experienced agent by your side can make all the difference in navigating this market. If you want up-to-date information on local inventory, prices, and trends, connect with my team and me. We are here to provide the insights you need to make confident decisions. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor with a tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.